Today, we celebrate Workers' Day, a day to honor the dignity of labor and the countless hands that build our world. Workers' Day, also known as Labor Day, has its roots in the historic Haymarket Affair in the year 1886 in Chicago, USA. During that time, workers came together to demand fair wages, reasonable working hours, and better conditions. Their struggle led to the recognition of workers' rights across the world. We need to remember no work is insignificant and no worker is unimportant. From the early morning sweepers to the dedicated teachers in classrooms, from the office staff behind the scenes to every helping hand around us, each one plays a vital role. We cannot afford to take their work for granted. Every individual worker, irrespective of their profession and position, contributes not only to the development and growth of their country, but the world at large. We ought to pay tribute to their tireless efforts and the amount of sacrifices they make for the well-being of all. On this day, we also remember Saint Joseph the worker, a humble carpenter and the foster father of Jesus. His life teaches us the dignity of honest labor, quiet dedication, and faithfulness in small things. Our community here at St. Joseph have experienced bountiful blessings and miracles through his intercession, as he is the patron and guide of our institution. Today, we express our heartfelt gratitude to all workers who serve with sincerity and devotion. Let us also learn to respect work, to value effort, and to serve with love and responsibility. As we grow, may we not only dream of success, but also understand the value of meticulous, focused, and conscientious work, which in turn contributes to the advancement of the society and make us worthy stewards of God's beautiful creation. Inspired by the Canossian values of charity, humility, and service, and echoing the noble Jesuit ideal of being people for others, let us use our talents, not just for ourselves, but in loving service to others, building a world of justice, compassion, and respect for all. On this Workers' Day, let us salute every worker and promise to uphold the dignity of labor in all that we do. Wishing you all Happy Workers' Day.